got this church business. Way down in Alabama. Yeah, I'm a silver-tongued devil. Anointed is what I am. I can take you to heaven. Broken, rocky, hard. But if he worked a miracle, well, we take red cards. Then tell the message of the land. Yeah, I can sell you salvation.
What an idiot.
Come, little one, for surely it is written, seek, and ye shall find.
Mr. Preacher Man, I thought you were amazing.
It's a powerful thing to have the anointing of the Spirit, child. A powerful, powerful thing. What's your name?
Well, I'm Birdie. Birdie Watchtower. I've lived here forever, I think, but I've never seen you before.
Oh, that's because I ain't from around here, Miss Birdie Watchtower. The name's Atticus Atwater, out of Tulsa, Alabama. I'm just passing through, trying to save as many souls as I can along the way. Now, what can I do for you, Miss Birdie?
It's about my mother. She's lost and can't find her way.
Oh, no, we're all lost, Miss Birdie, each and every one of us. And only through grace, mercy, and powerful prayer can we find the straight and narrow path that leads to salvation. Now, I'm sure that the seed that you sowed today, the vow of faith that you made during the anointing of the Spirit, surely has started the heavenly wheels in motion, and that the Lord Himself will work a miracle in your good mother's life. You did make a vow of faith today, didn't you, Miss Birdie?
Well, I did indeed, Reverend. I prayed to heaven that God would show my mother that good will triumph over evil, and that the good within us all will someday prevail. Like I said, Reverend, I was very moved.
Oh, that's a fine prayer, Miss Birdie, a fine prayer indeed. But did you sow a seed with me today?
I'm afraid I don't understand, Reverend.
Did you put any money in the basket, Birdie? Did you sow a seed?
I'm afraid I didn't.
That's all right, Miss Birdie. Perhaps you forgot. It happens every now and again, when one is particularly caught up in the Spirit. Perhaps you'd like to sow one now.
I can't, Reverend. You see, I just quit my job and I have to save all my money for a trip to Washington with my grandmother.
Are you sure you can't sow a seed, Miss Birdie? Mighty oaks from little acorns grow, mighty oaks, child.
I can't, Reverend. I just can't.
Well, then I'm afraid I can't help you, Miss Birdie. I'm afraid I can't help you at all. Now, if you'll excuse me, I believe someone today planted a seed of faith with a basket full of fried chicken. And guiding my flock makes me powerful hungry at times.
Reverend, do you believe that good will ever conquer evil?
Believe whatever you want, Miss Birdie Watchtower. Whatever you want.
Birdie?
How long was I out?
I don't know. A long time. Maybe a whole minute.
Whoa. Whoa.
You were mumbling something about salvation.
It was like a really weird dream. There's a preacher man and a snake and... Let's go home, okay? My head's killing me. I think my mom was a choir girl.